Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vadim and I'm a beginner day trader. So I started recording my day trading sessions and upload them here on YouTube after having two big red days. Today is day number 6 and today is a small green day. My account is up by $8.74 or 1.5%. So what happened today? So actually yesterday wrote some rules for me that I need to follow after my red day that I had yesterday. So yesterday, if you remember, I had $80 loss on a stock, $89 loss on a stock, and on another one I think I made $7 or $9, something like that. So I made rules for myself. The first rule was hold a position, my starter, for longer, not to sell it and not to chase the stock later. So I was following this rule on BDRX. I was adding to the position and did not sell my initial starter. I think I was buying with 50 blocks, 50 share blocks, because the stock was cheaper. So the second rule I had is not to chase a stock. Did I chase BDRX? I did after a second trade. So after I made $32, I bought a stock second time. I think I bought 50 shares of it, and when I lost almost $10 on it, this is where I needed to stop. So go outside, think about something, but not to chase the stock. This is what needs to be done in theory, but I didn't. So I was, constantly buying, selling. On the second trade on BDRX, I did not follow my stop loss, and I think I sold when the stock hit below my stop loss. So, and something happened with Thinkorswim. My orders today were executed very slowly, and you'll see when I will be showing my day trading session, you'll see what was happening with my orders. So I did not sell on the ask, I was selling every single time on a bid. So this is what happens. This is what happened. The other one, 5 share blocks for the stocks that are over $10, 25 share blocks for stocks $2, and I also needed to say out loud my stop loss and execute the trade. So I failed just on the second trade where I lost $10. I sold it below my stop loss. I think I lost around 20 shares per 20 cents per share. That's how much I lost on the second trade on BDRX. And the other rule I made for myself is my max loss on a day is $25. So it's still a green day, even it's a really small green day, it's still green, which is always good. Tomorrow market will be closed, and I'm gonna be waiting for a Friday. So I'm sure the market will give us more opportunity, and I will probably also add more rules for Friday's trading, because I want to have more time. If my trade was really good trade, I want to take some time to breathe, and then to start buying another stock, or trying to make an additional profit. But definitely make for myself, after making some profit, I want to protect it, and I don't want to lose more than 50% of how much I've made. So today I lost more than that. I ended this day only with around $9, which is terrible considering that I was at some point up unrealized around $42 in my account. So this is what I need to work on. This is an additional rule that I'm gonna add for a Friday trading session. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll hit the like button. I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Now I'm gonna show you my trades in TraderView. If you don't know what the TraderView is, this is a really great app where you can analyze your trades. So I highly recommend it, and I'm gonna put an affiliate link in the description of this video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and now you guys can see my trades in a TraderView. Today is June 18th. As you can see, I made 7 trades, and I'm only up $8.74. So let's take a look at my trades for today. I made my first trade with Relay. I bought 25 shares, and as I set up rules yesterday for today, I sold a stock when it hit my stop loss. So as you can see, I lost $5, but I'm really happy about it because I was following my rules. For SNTI, I bought 25 shares, and as you can see, I made $2.75, but actually the reason why I got out from this trade just because SNTI stock wasn't with fresh news. So this was the reason why I got out, because BDRX started hitting the scanner. So let's take a look at my first trade, which was excellent, I believe, $32.27. I was able to make here. Traded 100 shares, and as you can see, I bought the stock first 50 shares at $1.20. I added here at $1.38, and I was scaling down at 164, at 171, and when it wasn't able to go higher, I sold at 156 and 155. So it was an amazing trade. As you can see, I made here $32.27. Then I started not following the rules. So here I bought 50 shares of the stock at 154. I believe I set my stop loss at 150, but as you can see, I sold it at 134. So one of the reasons was Thinkorswim wasn't properly executing my trades, even though I was selling on the bid. I think I started selling somewhere in here at 142 or something. So even though it was below my stop loss, so still I broke rule here. So this is where I needed to stop, because I was up on the day around $20 after I lost on this trade. Then, as you can see, just following, I bought another 50 shares, lost $3. Then I bought 50 shares, I believe, and added 15 shares, lost $7 on it. Then I thought I'm buying a different stock that just started hitting the scanner, but I actually was buying BDRX. So lost on this one as well, $1.35. So this is my P&L of the day, and now I'm gonna show you my pre-market trading.
So we have two leading gappers on a day, PTLE 111% and LSE 74%. Relay is hitting the scanner currently at 6:56 in the morning. So we have 4 minutes until 7 o'clock in the morning. Looking at relay possible resistance. So relay is 41% on a day. It needs to break, looks like it's breaking 323 resistance, and the next resistance we have at $3.33. So with this stock, I'm gonna be buying 25 shares blocks. As I said yesterday, if the stock will be around $10 or above, I'm buying with 5 share blocks. So I'm gonna look at relay. I have 50 seconds till open. Insurance and real estate markets holding company. The company is focused on acquiring growing cash flow positive insurance agencies. Looks like it's moving, but I don't know. I'm gonna wait for a pullback and to possibly buy this stock relay. I'm gonna buy it here. Bought at 330, stop will be at 320. I'm gonna give it a second to see if it wants to move higher or if it wanna fail. If it breaks 350, I'm adding. Selling. Minus $5. It took me a time, seconds, just to get out from the position. and it was selling on the bid. SNTI hitting the scanner. I'm gonna try with 35 shares also. 25 shares, sorry. I'm gonna sell this stock. And I'm gonna move to BDRX. I'm gonna buy 50 shares of BDRX. And I'm gonna add on micro pullback right here. I'm adding. I have 100 shares of BDRX. My average cost 129. The stop will be 135. Looks like the stock wants to move. So I'm holding. So I'm up $32, I'm still holding, I'm up $40, still holding, and I will start to unload some shares, possibly in here. Unloaded 25 shares, I will sell more. Have 50 shares of the stock. I'll see if it wants to move higher. Looks like no. And I need to sell. I'm gonna sell, owning 25 shares. I'm gonna wait a bit and see if it wants to break this level. Looks like it might fail, and I'm watching closer and I'm selling. So I'm up $32, 27 seconds. I have $284.51 left of buying power, and I'm gonna buy here from the view web. I have 50 shares of the stock, and the reason I bought it because it broke this candle of 159. Looks like it wants to go lower. We'll see if it's gonna bounce back or if it's gonna lower. 154 is my average cost, 150 will be my stop. Selling. Oh, I lost $10 on this trade. I didn't pay attention. On 1 minute we had a shooting star candle. Looks like it keeps moving higher. I'm gonna possibly buy it. We'll see what the stock wants to do. I'm gonna buy it here. We'll try one more time. My 154, my average cost. 150 will be my stop. I need to break 159, the one we couldn't break before. So I'm gonna try again. Looks like it's holding. Trying to get in the stock, but I cannot. I'm gonna buy here. I have 50 shares of the stock. I'm gonna add another 15 if it's breaking the high of the day. My average cost 163. I want to give a second before selling. Looks like the stock is fighting, but it's below how much I bought it for. I really want to add here. So I'm gonna add from VWAP around 148 if it's gonna go that low. I'm gonna add here 15 shares. I did 15 shares. I have 65. Looks like another stock started moving. I'm gonna sell here 50 shares. Why it's not selling? Of course I sold it. You see what happens. I'm trying to sell on the bid and it takes a second until I sell it. $12.35 I gave up a lot on the trade. I'm gonna try to buy this STSS, have 3 shares. This is how much I can afford only. I'm making another 3 shares. I have, and I'm gonna add here 2 shares for the break of VWAP. And I'm buying the BDRX. Awesome. So I did not plan to buy BDRX. So I'm gonna add 5 shares here. And I'm gonna add another 5 shares here. So I have 16 stocks. And I used $2.27 of unsettled cash, even though I spoke with my broker and it's not supposed to happen right now. My average cost 154. Stop will be at 154. I'm gonna even do like that. I'm up $12 on a day. Gave up a lot of profit. I was up at one point $30 on a day after a really nice trade on BDRX. Don't like this upper wick candles on 5-minute chart. Selling. I don't understand. I just try to sell it and I cannot. What's happening? I'm selling on the bid. So finishing a day with only $10 on 99 cents on BDRX. I gave a lot of profit from the moment I get in. So at one point I was up $30 on a day. So on SNTI I made $2.75, but I was trying to get out from the trade because BDRX started hitting the scanner. And on Relay, I think I lost money on Relay. I lost $5 on Relay following my stop loss. So this is a trade, this is a day, finishing a day with, you know, around $10 of profit approximately, maybe a bit less.